Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's simple yet incredibly powerful: the benefits of lemon for weight loss and glowing skin. Lemons might be small, but they pack a big punch when it comes to health and beauty. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or achieve that radiant glow, lemons could be your new best friend. Let's explore how this citrus superstar can help you achieve your goals. First, let's talk about weight loss. Lemons are a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan for several reasons. Drinking lemon water, especially warm lemon water first thing in the morning, can kickstart your metabolism. This helps your body burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which aid in digestion and help your body detox naturally. The pectin fiber found in lemons can help curb your appetite, making you feel full longer. This can prevent overeating, helping you stick to your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Additionally, lemon acts as a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body get rid of excess water weight and flushes out toxins. This not only aids in weight loss, but also helps in reducing bloating. Now, let's shift our focus to how lemons can help you achieve glowing, healthy skin. Lemons are known for their skin-brightening properties. The citric acid in lemon acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, more radiant skin. Simply applying diluted lemon juice to your skin can reduce dark spots and even out your skin tone. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of lemon make it an excellent remedy for acne. Applying lemon juice to acne-prone areas can help kill bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Moreover, the high vitamin C content in lemons is essential for collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. Incorporating lemon into your diet and skincare routine can help maintain your skin's elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Drinking lemon water not only keeps you hydrated but also aids in detoxifying your skin. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining plump, glowing skin, and the detoxifying properties of lemon help keep your skin clear and blemish-free. So, how can you start reaping the benefits of lemons? Here are a few simple ways. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This simple habit can set the tone for a healthy day ahead. You can also add lemon to your meals, whether it's squeezing it over salads, fish, or even your morning tea. This not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts your intake of vitamin C and antioxidants. For your skincare routine, try a DIY lemon face mask by mixing lemon juice with honey and yogurt. Apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel refreshed and glowing. And there you have it, simple, effective ways to use lemons for weight loss and glowing skin. This tiny fruit is a powerhouse of benefits, and incorporating it into your daily routine can bring about noticeable changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.